Hey guys, in this video I'd like to take a look at the Celluon Magic Cube, which is basically a projection keyboard. So let's take a quick look at the box. As you can see there, it says projection keyboard and multi-touch mouse, and it's got a picture of someone typing on the projection keyboard. On the side of the box it says that it's compatible with iOS 4, and it is compatible with iOS 5 as well. So the iPhone 3GS, 4S, iPad and iPad 2 can use this device. Android 2.0 and higher, Windows Phone 7, Windows XP, Vista 7 and Mac OS X. And it supports connections either via the included USB cable or via Bluetooth. And let's take a quick look at the back of the box. It's just telling us, what all of the functions of the device are. Basically, the power button, the mini USB port, the strap loop, the pattern projector, the sensor, the LED light, the IR light. There's a bit of a description there. You can pause the video and read it if you want to. I can't be bothered to read it. So anyhow, let's take it out of the box now. So you can basically just slide this bottom part off. I've already opened the box, so it's just, got a couple of bits of plastic on the side you peel off to open, and you pull off the plastic front cover, and then you can just pull out the device. So let's take a quick look at the device. So as you can see, it is very small, compact, stylish. It is available in a variety of different colours. This one happens to be red. So as you can see, it is a very, small device. But yeah, let's just put that to the side for a second, and let's see what's in the box. They've got the included, the micro USB cable. We have a bit of a quick start guide. It basically tells you how to, set up the device, and a few of the functions of the keyboard. And we of course have the user guide, which I won't bore you with. So let's get stuck into the device. So I am now going to turn it on, and you should see the red projection keyboard come on. And I would also like to note, it looks a lot better in real life than it looks on film or in pictures. It looks very bright. You don't have any difficulty seeing it whatsoever, so it might not come across as clearly in the video as it does in, reality. The blue light is flashing because it's looking for a Bluetooth connection, and I obviously don't have the micro USB cable plugged in. I am now going to connect it to my Mac. I'm going to show you what it looks like connected to a computer, an iPhone and an Android mobile phone. So I have got, text edit opened here on my Mac. Sorry, I'm now going to go to Bluetooth and set up Bluetooth device. And it should be able to find Celluon in the device list. It might take a little while to come up. And here it is, Celluon, and it's a keyboard. I can click continue, and it's currently attempting to pair. And basically, it's giving me a code. I need to type this code in, into the keyboard, followed by enter. So I will show you how I do that. So 9577 5475. Enter. Now back up to the screen. And as you may be able to see, congratulations, your computer is now set up to use your keyboard. So as you can tell, it was pretty accurate. So now if I go back down to the keyboard, I can show you how it works. So if I want to type a capital, I hold Shift T. And back there on the screen, you can probably see the capital T. It is very responsive. So testing, space, 1, 2, 3, capital Y, O, U, capital T, U, B, E. And now let's go back up to the screen, and as you can see, it's typed it in perfectly. The trick is to make sure that, you use fingers like this, that you don't lean over the keyboard. as long as you use your fingers like that, you know, you won't have any, you know, errors or spelling mistakes. And you can also adjust the volume. When I first you know, looked at it, it did have a volume when you typed on the keys. Because you obviously can't get any feedback on the desk, you would hear a sound when you typed. So function, arrow up. So now, you know, I can obviously, you know, type something and you will now hear a sound. I'm pretty sure I turned it up to the maximum sound, so if that sounds loud and annoying, you can obviously adjust it so it's not as loud. And you can also use it as a multi-touch mouse, which I'm about to demonstrate. So to use it as a mouse, I believe you click the function key and press the cursor. So now, and you basically move your finger over the keyboard as if it was, you know, a touchpad, etc. So now if I move back to the computer, I am not using the mouse to move around. I am basically using the, you know, the keyboard on the desk. You know, you just basically move your finger around the keyboard as if it was, you know, a laptop. You know, it's very responsive. You know, I quite like it. Though yeah, that's pretty much it really. I don't know if I've forgotten anything. So I'm basically going to show you how it works with an iPhone and an Android mobile now. So just let me unpair it from my computer, otherwise we'll run into some issues. So I will just remove it from my computer. And now, as you will be able to see, the blue light is flashing again to signify that it is currently searching, you know, for a connection. Okay, I am now going to pair the projection keyboard to my iPhone. As you can see here, I am currently in Bluetooth settings and Celluon is in the device list. So if I click on Celluon, it is asking me to enter in the code 7944 on the keyboard, followed by enter. And it should now be able to pair with my iPhone. And as you can see there, it is now connected. So I am just quickly going to open up Notes and I will demonstrate how it works. So I have opened up Notes now. So let me just move this down a bit. And I will do a demonstration. So testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And as you can see by looking at the device, there's not a single, you know, typo or spelling mistake. It's very responsive. You know, I can click enter to go down a few lines, you know, like this video, a bit of, you know, shameless self-promotion, though as you can see there, you know, it works perfectly. There's not a single flaw. So I'm now going to unpair the device, so I'm going to forget the device, because I want to demonstrate how it works on an Android mobile phone. So as you can probably tell, the blue light is flashing again now. It's currently looking for Bluetooth devices. I currently have a Samsung Infuse here, which I'm going to connect to the projection keyboard. So let me just unlock the screen. I'm currently in Bluetooth settings. And as you can see, Celluon is currently in the device list. So I'm going to select Celluon, and it's currently pairing, and I need to enter in this pin followed by enter to pair the device. So what is it? 875511. Followed by enter, and it should now be paired. So now, as you can see, Celluon connected. I'm just going to go back to the home screen, go into messaging, open up a new message, and I will, you know, start typing up a message. The only thing that you need to get used to with the keyboard is the key placement. So as you can see there, I was easily able to write hello there without any, you know, typos or mistakes. Though the thing you need to get used to is, you know, the special characters. You know, for example, the comma key is at the top there, rather than, you know, on the right hand side here. If you like to, you know, travel around, you know, with your iPad, for example, or an Android tablet, and, you know, you don't like using the, you know, on-screen keyboard for whatever reason, or if you want more screen real estate, then, you know, you can get one of these devices. You know, it's very small, you know, considering what it does. It's, you know, very small, a lot smaller than a physical keyboard. You know, it's easy just, you know, to rack this into your laptop bag or something. Well, not your laptop bag, you know, your tablet bag, etc. And just rip it out whenever you want to use it. And, you know, you will definitely be turning heads if, you know, you rip it out in public and start typing on a tablet, etc. Though yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I will include a link to the device in the description below. It is available for $250. It's not the cheapest device, though you need to keep in mind that it's not really gimmicky either. It works very well. It does what it says it does. It isn't, you know, one of those novelty things that doesn't work properly. It actually works very well. Though anyhow, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask me. Like the video if you enjoyed watching it, subscribe, and thanks for watching.